Hey, try to control yourself. You must learn to bite your lip. Bite your lip? What's that mean? Hey, this is Grammaring. Here we are going to talk what bite your lip mean. Before getting to the class, subscribe our channel or you will miss a chance to know the meaning of the idiom. The phrase bite one's lip is quite a popular English idiom. If you bite your lip or your tongue, you stop yourself from saying something that you want to say because it would be the wrong thing to say in these circumstances. So, bite one's lip means to keep back one's anger and annoyance. To keep back one's anger and annoyance. Or to repress one's anger or other emotions. Here, repress means stop. You stop your anger and your other emotions. That is called bite one's lip. Or you force yourself not to express the negative emotions that you are feeling. You are forcing yourself not to show your negative emotions in front of others. That is called bite one's lip. To stifle one's feelings means stop expressing one's feeling. Now see the example sentence. He broke off and bit his lip, feeling that he had better subdue the rising anger in his voice. Second example. If Ram tries to provoke you, just bit your lip and keep walking. Next example. I just had to bit my lip while the boss yelled at me for losing the account. So, bite one's lip means refrain from showing your emotions or speaking. That is called bite one's lip. Have you got a similar phrase in your language? If so, we love to hear about it in the comment section below. If you find this video more informative, please like, share and subscribe. That's all for today. Bye-bye.